Hey guys, welcome back to your girl Hemprezz U4's YouTube channel. It is Tuesday, March 18 and we are starting the vlog today. I am currently at my courier service and I'm gonna be picking up my package from Hemprezz. I'm not expecting a lot of packages, so I know it's the Hemprezz monthly subscription, right? I collected a big package and I did a haul. If you have not seen my video, that she in all, I'm gonna link it up the top or in the description. You can look for that video and you can see it. Yes, I got some nice pieces in the haul. So I'm gonna be collecting my little subscription from Hemprezz. Tomorrow I have an appointment, nail appointment with this nail tech that I saw Maya Slays did a collaboration with. So she did a collaboration with Cuttaa Above the Rest. I'm gonna put her in the description. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing Frenchies, almond, white toes. Your girl have somewhere special to go. Yes, but you guys will get to see it in this vlog. Definitely a couple days from now. It is Tuesday. Yes, a couple days from now. I'm so excited. Yeah, but I'm not have much money and that'll beat my bad. But anyhow, so that is it in for today. I don't know what else I gonna happen throughout the day, but that is it. And I got some nice berries from my husband's workplace. Them have a bratted. Them nice berries are big, so I got some. I'm gonna give it to my Sachikor agent. So I'm gonna give him 5 out of them. You saw them nice berries are big, guys. Yeah, man, they are not yet ripe. So I have to put them down to ripe, but they are sweet. This is what you call organic. But yeah, mama run go collect the package and come back. No guys, I don't understand this. $1,050 for this. I normally $600 I pay now. So you look at them raising price or something. I don't understand the price increase, guys. 1,000 add for this. Why not this? 1,000? This don't even weigh a pound. Oh, I know why them charge me. No. It got the old address. I have to update the system. That's why them charge me. Come here say, why this so much money? It got the old address. That's why. Whoa, I forgot something there. I never remember say this at the oh, the color match my glam bag. Guys, we're unboxing the glam bag. The Hemprezz glam bag, guys, for March. Yes, it is here. And look at this. It's a pretty pink. You guys seeing this pretty pink? Yeah. So this is it. Has a strawberry charm on it. It feels a little plasticky. And this is what's inside. Let's see what the cards say. So it's the main, so it's main character energy. Eat, glam, love. Set out on adventure this spring to romanticize your life and your routine with fresh beauty finds that make you a star of your story. And this is the glam bag. Me know say no NARS not in it. I don't know why them a put NARS right here as if NARS in it. What is this now? So this is the Ooh La 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 Pour. So this is a perfume. Not sure if you guys ever seen this. It's a perfume. This is how the bottle is looking. Let us test it. The glue still up my hand, you know, guys. Ooh, them spray heavy. Oh gosh, they always have some nice scented cologne. I don't know. It's like I'm just a sucker for cologne. This smell nice. This one smell like almost like the Versace that I have at home. This is what is Cheek. So this is Cheek Treat, and this is by TYS Beauty Splash Liquid Blush. So this is a liquid blush, guys. Yeah. And this is a lip liner from Beauty Vault. Lip liner. Oh, them know me need a lip liner. What, two me get two, guys? Oh, I got two. That's so cool. I got two. I got a brown and a tan looking one. Dear Remy is this one, which is this color. And this one is the Coco Call, which is this one. And this is from Beauty Vault. Oh, that's so cute. So I got two liners. Awesome. What else I got? So it's and I got Elmis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Ultra Rich Anti-Wrinkle Rich Day Cream. And this is it. Yeah. And last but not least, I got a Saturday Skin, which is Akia Berry plus Oats Antioxidant Gel Cleanser. So this is a gel cleanser. Yeah, so I'm gonna be testing out these to see if it work. Yeah, it smells fruity. And that's it for my glam bag haul. Me go end my subscription in the cause me nah get the NARS, the Fenty. Yeah, we not get them things there. But that is it for our Hipsy haul, guys. Yeah, bon opinion. Let's go. Seatbelt so you could be safe. Said the girl that look for me here, you know. The girl like she said, like, you know, you look neat, girl. Like I hear that. Wow, somewhere is burning. Look at smoke. Something over the start burn, man. Oh God. I'm at the nail tech now. Did not get to vlog and show you guys me going there because I was rushing. I almost missed my appointment because I was running late. But anyway, the lady cut above the rest. Follow her on Instagram. You can check her out. She is located in York Plaza. I think it's shop 16, but I will put the correct information in on the screen here. But yeah, let me tell you. You see, me and nail tech, me and my nail tech them have a long lasting relationship. I don't change nail techs often, and I have been on the hunt for a nail tech, right? And let me tell you see this girl. She is so nice, and let me emphasize how gentle she is. When it comes to my cuticles, they are very sensitive, and me tell you, I don't feel nothing. I literally could have dropped asleep over the girl. Like, she's doing my nails and I feel like I could sleep the way how she is so gentle on my nails. Like, I love everything, her customer service, her energy, her vibe. She is just humble. She's not one of those hypey typey person who feel like, you know, your money not worth it. You know them kind of people that you come sit down and them a look by you and scrutinize and I watch and I want to know how your pockets stay away. Yeah, I absolutely love her and I will definitely be going back. So check her out on Instagram if you are interested. I'm gonna put her link in the description box below. Good morning, guys. It's today is the day we are flying. So guys, it is March 20. It's after 7. My flight is at 1 something, so we are leaving around 10 o'clock. Yeah, so I'm up, feel a little gassy, bloated. I'm gonna make some tea and straighten up the bed. I already picked out my outfit, guys. I need to get me a sneakers. I don't have any sneakers. All of my sneakers, I throw away a couple sneakers the other day because them did all and them they're dry rotten too. So man, I have no sneakers, so weird. So I bought these shoes on Shein. My carrier socks in my bag. So in case my feet get cold, I can just put on the socks. Speaking of which, yeah, so we're going to sort out my bag and I sure know what I'm gonna wear and so forth. I like some tea. So let's go. Bye, guys. If I tell you I've ever traveled without having any emergency or a situation, I am telling a lie. So for one, I vlogged the entire me packing and showing you guys my outfit. For some reason, those videos got deleted. And while I was packing, my husband later realized that his passport was expired. We had a 1 o'clock flight and we were preparing to check in at 10. So we had to drop everything and get the documents signed and go to the Pika office to make it in time just to get the same day service. I must commend the Pika's office for a service that is on time, that is reliable, because we got back our passport by 2 o'clock and we were able to book a flight that was leaving 6 o'clock. Guys, I have a whole heap of things to tell you now. Whole heap of problem. Murphy's Law, what can go wrong will go wrong. Yeah, but let's see. I wanna dance tonight. It's in the afternight. Yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't want to say no. You broke it down the door. Guys, look how departure area is empty. OMG, it's the first time I got to the airport and it is empty like this. I guess it's because we are the last flight out, hence why. But I'm definitely loving this because going through immigration, getting checked in and all of that, it was so amazing. No crowd, nothing. Alright guys, so me get my boarding pass already. Now wait for my husband to come, so him come to check in. In the bus, they pump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I tell you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 Is she lit? Get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm
I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. It's so boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Then we get me going when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all the time me cashes. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Pretty, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Nice, cause he better date me. Never check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. She precedes me. My all the time. I'm still playing the victim, and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it.
On your mark, get a set, go. And I'm coming at him, guys. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? He's racing. He's running. You are running. What you know? Yes, guys, I'm passing now. See the feeling that? If these, the two team man, you run off a while ago.
Can't see it, I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, she gon' be who never say that. I don't want pipe down, ready to get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much, I hit my clutch and boom, her day about to boom. I never can't see, I'm blind.
Today is going to be 1 hour and 28 minutes. Your safety is always our #1 priority, so please give us your attention while we walk you through this plane's safety features. Please follow along with the safety information card in your seat back pocket. Federal law requires you to follow all lighted information signs, posted placards, and especially crew member instructions. Customers are encouraged to report any unwelcome or inappropriate behavior to an in-flight crew member.